What's going on with all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters, the ones that wake up in the morning, look in the mirror and say, I'm gonna get money today? It's Matthew, Vic, and we're heading on out, and it's a cold one. A couple days before Christmas, we got 2 jobs on the list, so it's an easy day. And check this out. I just got glasses, and tell me, do you think I can charge more money now? I think I can. Look at that. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Matthew with Sonoma Strong Hauling. That load's gonna be $1,000. We got the best service around Sonoma County. Let me know, leave a comment down below if you think I look good in my glasses and I can charge more money. But anyways, I got a review for you guys. These Dickies suck. I bought some Dickies from Freeman's and I could barely pull my damn wallet out. It's a pain in the ass, so I'm never buying Dickies again. I'm sticking with Carhartt. So I'm waiting on the JoJo right now and we'll be heading on out. So yeah, let's go get this money. Hit that like and subscribe button down below. Oh yeah. So look who's in the vehicle, the JoJo. And she says I look very intelligent.
Oh, I love it. I love a man with glasses. He reminds me of Clark Kent.
A man? You better love just this man right here, guys.
Superman.
So I'm a hauling Superman, guys. So we're heading on out. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna talk about?
We're just gonna show you how we roll around and make money.
Let's do it then. So we're heading on out. I can see now, guys. I can see that pile really good now. So I'm gonna start charging more money. So we're at the first job of the day. And you know it's gonna be an easy day when you're wearing your Nikes. I got my good shoes on today.
You got your good shoes on today?
Yeah, we're only working like 3 hours or 2 hours.
Yeah, it's a Sunday.
It's a Sunday, the dumps is closed where you can't drop furniture off, so it's gonna be an easy day.
That's good.
Yeah, we deserve it.
We do deserve it.
And plus I'm going fishing tomorrow with my buddy, so I scheduled everything else out later on in the week.
Yeah, which is awesome. That's why you own your own business, so you can work your job around your schedule.
That's right.
Yeah.
So I'm going in here right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna wear the glasses, I think. See if I hit them with that high price. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll see if it works.
Hopefully it don't fog up and I underbid the job with the mask on my face. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Whoa, babe! I can see! And holy cow, are you beautiful! Let's go get this money.
So we are at the first job of the day, and these people found us on Google, and this is what we have. Not so bad. We're able to pull up to it really close. We have some wood, some pillows. Pretty typical curbside pickup.
Nice. So just like that, what? 6.5 minutes later?
6.5 minutes later.
We done, check it out. Voila. So the tip of the day, and this is a real good tip too. Don't ever do what I just did. We were hauling and balling yesterday, and I forgot to hit the gas station, so we're heading to the gas station right now and check out my gas tank, guys. Let me turn this camera around real quick.
So we're at the next job of the day. This person found us on Yelp, and she has new furniture, and she needs to get rid of her old furniture. So who did she call? She called us.
Now I love jobs like these. It shouldn't take no longer than 10 minutes. It's these 2 chairs right here, they're recliners, and the backs pop off. And there's a lever, I'll show you right here. You just pull up, and it makes it easy where you can just carry them in 2 pieces right here. Bam! Pop it up, pop the other one up, and then you can just pull this part off, and it makes it a lot lighter. So just like that, there ain't no better business to be in than junk removal in my eyes. Making killer money super fast, and I love it. So JoJo, I lied to the subscribers. We started at 9 o'clock and it is 9:53, and we are like 3 minutes from the house. And we make some damn good money. Ain't that right?
That's right.
And we got some tips for you guys how to be a better businessman or woman, so stay tuned for that. Now let's talk trash.
And today we're going to talk about how important it is to be a great salesperson.
Be a great salesperson and put that money, that cash flow in your pocket.
So, the very first thing is to make sure you have the gift of gab.
Some people don't have it. Some people got it naturally. Like I got it from my father. As a young kid, he would go and buy cars and I would be with him and then he would resell the vehicles. So I got that gift of gab. So some people don't have it. So the more jobs you bid, you do, the more customers you meet, the more natural it'll come.
Yes. Another thing is to be able to sell yourself.
Being able to sell yourself is one of the most important things in the junk removal business, because if you can't sell yourself, you're not going to make no money.
It's also very important to know when it is time to negotiate.
So yeah, negotiating is a major thing. You might hit that customer with that price and you don't know how to read someone's body language, you might not get that job. But if you know how to negotiate and read someone's body language, then you'll know when to offer a discount, maybe a cash discount. They might be a senior, offer them a senior discount. Let them know they can bring it to the curb and you can offer them a discount so you make sure you get that job.
Yep. It's also very important to just be a people person.
Be a people person. Show up with a smile. It's kind of hard to do it now with a mask on, but treat every customer like it's your lady, your wife, your grandma, your mom, and just be a people person and just show up with a smile.
Yeah.
Even if they can't see it, just show up with a smile and just have that shine.
Yeah. And you may be thinking, I'm just not that outgoing, I'm shy, I'm just not a people person. Well, you know, if you're going to put yourself out there and you're going to start your own business and you're going to run your own business and you want to be successful at it, if you're not good at these things, you need to be. So you just need to work on it. The more you work on something, the better you'll be at it. Watch motivational YouTube channels and just learn how to get out there and sell yourself, because it's very important. You can always grow and be better as a person. So if that's something you need to work on, get on it.
And we just want to wish all you guys a Merry Christmas. We love all of our subscribers out there. And just so you know, I'm a XXL and the JoJo is a triple small. So we do accept gifts in the mail, guys. And if you don't mail us something, don't worry about that. We're going live soon. What can they do, JoJo?
Oh, we're going live, and feel free to super chat and say Merry Christmas.
We out here hauling and balling, and we hope you guys are too. We love all you guys. You, your dog, your cat, your grandma, your kids. We even love your neighbors. So hit that like and subscribe button, and hopefully this short video helps you guys out. And keep hauling and balling. Until next time, guys.